Good morning, dear students. Now come with our subjects operation research. In last lecture, we already learned about the game theory. What is a game theory? What is assumption? What is a limitation? What is a setup point? What is dominance rules and all these things. Now come up with next topic of game theory is the next method is the graphical method. Now what is the graphical method? In this method, we show the representation of graphical. Last model, linear programming model, we already learned about what is a graphical method. But this is a very different from LP model and game theory. In this model, we also follow the matrix analysis. I show you the one matrix A1, A2, it's two rows are there, and B1, B2, B3 and B4. Four columns are there. Now, number is that the 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3 minus 2 and 4, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2, 6. This is matrix are given there for follow the graphical method and find out the value of gain. Now, we see that two rows are there and four columns are there. It means that if row greater than column, then you can follow the min-max reason. In graphical portion, if row less than column, then you can follow the max-min reason to show the correct answer. Now we can see that A1, it's the first row, A2 is the second row, B1 is the first column, B2 is the second column, B3 is the third column, B4 is the fourth column. Now, we are very easy to understand. Row is 2 and column is 4 are there. Now, first condition is fulfilled that row greater than equal to column? No, but rows is 2 there, column is 4 there. Second condition is fulfilled that row less than equal to column, because row is 2 are there, column is 4 there. Now, we can follow the maximum reason in graph representation. Now come up with the graph. What is a graph? A1, A2, two line draw are there, A1 and A2. What is the minimum and highest number in first row? Minimum number is -2 and maximum is 3. Now, so midpoint is the 0, then 1, 2, 3 and -2 it's the most negative number, then -1, -2 and A2. Maximum number is 6 and minimum number is 2. Again, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. No negative number are there, so no, not required for this, but we can also draw that. Now, come up with this method, come up with this table. A1, it's 2 and A2 equals to 4. A1 is 2. Then this is the pointer there, because this is the A1 line and this is the A2 line. A1 is 2 and A2 equals to 4. Then A2 it's 4. 2 points are there. Now we can connect with this. Same as A1 2 and A2 3. A1 2 again common point. A2 3. This point are there. Again connect this point. Now B3, A1 3 and A2 2. A1 3 this point and A2 2. Again connect this point. Last one B4, A1 minus 2. A1 minus 2 this point and A2 6. Matlab these points highest are there. Then also connect with this. Now we have different lines and we have different connectors are there. These points to this point, this point to this point, all are there. Now where common reason is that if row less than equal to column, row 2 rows are there and column are more, then we can follow the maximum. What is the meaning of maximum? Maximum stand for you can maximize then minimize. That is the main reason. Now graph are there, we can easily see that maximum portion is where? This is maximum portion? Not, because this is a minimize, moderate and maximize. So we cannot fulfill our condition. So this reason is perfect. Maximize at this point and minimize. So that is the main reason of maximum. These common points are there. These common points are intersect with this value. We can easily draw that. What is the common value for intersection of these points? Minus 2 and 6. Minus 2 and 6. And 3 and 2. 3 and 2. It means B3 and B4. B3 and B4, A1 and A2. This is 2 by 2 matrix. We can easily find out. Now we can move on the value of game. What is the value of game? Easily we can apply the value of game. Minus minus. Again this. Write the cross side. So 3 minus minus 2. It's 5. 2 minus 6. Again 6 minus 2, we can say that it's 4, then minus 2 minus 6 minus minus plus, but sign equals to minus 8, and 3 minus 2, 1, 4 plus 5 equals to 9, then 4 by 9, it's a strategy of A1 player, 5 by 9, it's also strategy of A2 player, 8 by 9, it's a strategy of B3 player, and 1 by 9 is again strategy of B4 player. Now last point is that what is the value of game? Now last one is the value of game equals to B3 first column multiply by this number and divide by total strategies are there. Now 3 into 4 plus 2 into 5 and 4 divided by 9, that is the value of game. 3 into 4 equals to 12 and 5 into 2 equals to 10. 4 divided by 9, 22 divided by 9, it's a pure strategy of game, it's a value of game. That is your answer. Thank you, students.